Look. I'm gonna make a video of cicadas. Cicadas. Look, these are dead cicadas. In my freaking backyard. I know. Dead and nasty. See, there's one on the ground. Ew. And I'm wearing sandals. Hear that sound? Those cicadas in trays. Well, you can't see them in the trees. But you can hear them. Hope it doesn't fall in here. Look at this. Cicada City. I don't know if you can see this good, but there's cicadas all over these stuff. And that is nasty. On the ground some more. Ew, right there. Almost stepping on some of them. Oh, that's nasty. People. Dead cicadas on the ground. There's a spider on the freaking bread. Ah! Something flew on me. Do you guys see that? Yeah, that's nasty. Okay, let me go close to see. They're like hanging all over the. And it's like all in my backyard. Ew, in my backyard. Ew, this is nasty. Peace out, people.